Hello everyone, this is Solomon. I am here to explain you about IPv6 stateless address auto configuration. So let us see our topology. So this is our topology. We need to use 2911 router and respectively. I will show the topology here by drawing. So first let me take 192.192.1.1 router and let us take one PC for here, one PC for here, okay, one laptop, one server, and one more laptop here, and one more server here. So now let us add some switches. So let me add PT switch here, and let me add one more PT switch here. So let me connect these things with copper straight through. So let me give fast ether here, fast ether. So we need to connect this with fast ether everywhere. So okay, after we connect, let us connect these two switches with this router. So for that we need to use gigabyte ether of 0/0 to fast ether 3/0, and here also gigabyte to we need to connect it to fast ether. So now let us start our configuration. So our configuration is in configuration here. So if we press no, enter router, okay, let us enable it, and now let us config t. So we got into configuration. So first let us configure this switch with this router. So for that we need to give an IP router. So that is IPv6 unicast routing. So we will see here unicast routing, IPv6 unicast routing. So now we entered into IPv6 the router. So now we will give it as int. Let us configure this switch first, okay, with this connection. So we have gig 0/0 int gig 0/0. Okay, now we have a special IPv4 address, IPv4 sorry v6 address. So that IPv6 address is already given in the topology. So this is that IPv6 address. So that is IPv6 address is 2001 is to db8 is to 1 is to 1 is to 2/64. Okay, this is the IPv6 address of gig1. So now let us enter, give no shutdown. So you can see here it was red, but now it changed to green and orange. So in few minutes this is also gonna be change to green. Okay, now we have configured gig 0/0. Now let us configure gig, this is 0/1. Okay, 0/1. Let us configure this 0/1 int gig 0/1. That now here we will use auto connection. So auto configuration, that is IPv6 address of auto config. So now it is auto configured. Now let us give IPv6 address of 2001 is to DB8 is to 1 is to 2 is to, because here we gave it as 1. Okay, here we gave it as 1, now we will give it as 2 here. 2 is to double is to 2/64. Okay, and now let us give it as EUI is hyphen, okay, EUI hyphen 64. So now this is configured. You can see both are red. Now when we press enter and when we give no shutdown, okay, you can see here, so both are red. When we give enter and no shutdown, this will turn into green, and this is gonna turn into orange, and within few minutes, as I told, it became green. This also will become green. So now we have configured the router. So now let us configure, let us change the settings of this PC. So normally this PC will be having and everything will be having manually, so static. So we need to change it to automatic. Okay, now we have changed it to automatic. In the similar way, we need to change everything to automatic in every device. So let me change to automatic here, the server. In the similar way, we will change next switch also, automatic IPv6 configuration, desktop IP configuration, IPv6 configuration, automatic. Okay, now this server is left, and desktop automatic. Okay, so now everything has turned into automatic. Now let us go to the Word and check the what all questions we got. So here is, we changed it to automatic. Now screenshot of successful ping from PC to router. So now let us go to the router. Yeah, so we will take this PC and let us take the IP address of this, and let us go to the next PC and let us go to the command prompt and let us ping this both and check whether we are going to get the successful routing or not. So let me give ping. So okay, sorry, ping, and the same thing what is present here in the address of the IPv6 address in the PC0. Now I need to enter in the command prompt of PC1. So ping 2001 is to DB, okay, DB8, yeah, DB8 is to 1 is to 1 is to 2 D0 is to D3 FF is to FED6 is to 1089. Okay, now you can see here, okay, our question was this. So when we enter this, let us check whether this should be the output for us. So when we give enter here, you can see pinging. Okay, it is replying and pinging successful. So this is pinged successful to this router. So this is configured successfully. Okay, now let us go to the next question. Okay, screenshot of showing running configuration of the router. So we need to take any router, like we need to go to the router, we need to give sh running configuration, so running config. So let us see whether our router has got successfully configuration or not. Prompt static. Okay, so we'll give end here. Okay, end. So show running config. So you can see here the running configuration. So everything is running properly, so that's why we got this output. So running configuration is successful, so this will be the same output what I have pasted here. Okay, okay, if we come here now, we need to check screenshot of a routing table. Okay, routing table, we need to show. So show IPv6 route. Okay, so show IPv6 route. So you can see this is the IPv6 routing configuration, so you can check here. So next output is show IP int brief. Okay, so now we'll go show IPv6 int. Okay, yeah, so this is int of IPv6 brief. So this is about IPv6 stateless address automatic configuration. So I hope you understood. That's all in this video. Thank you everyone.